of digital technologies to transform business is very much a global phenomenon. On one hand, you have global digital disruptors, the likes of, let's say, Uber, Netflix, Tesla, which are transforming different industries by making use of cloud technologies, mobile-related technologies, and broadband and associated networking technologies to transform business processes and create some new differentiated offerings which are changing businesses. At the same time, traditional businesses like Citibank in banking, General Electric, many of these global companies are responding to it by making use again of digital technologies to create differentiated offerings to both compete and provide new offerings to their customers. So it's very much a global phenomenon. When we look at Asia Pac, it's a very wide range of countries. So on one hand, you have countries like Japan or Australia and New Zealand, which have fairly well-developed IT infrastructure. In fact, Australia and New Zealand is leading in the world when it comes to virtualization of enterprise. Then you have a set of countries in Southeast Asia, Korea region, ranging from Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand to Vietnam, which once again is a range of developed to developing economies. And then we have large economies like China or India with large population that have leapfrogged in terms of their digital infrastructure. So across the board, there are various kind of opportunities and enterprises, both digital disruptors in each of these countries, as well as traditional companies that are making use of digital technologies to respond to competition, as well as create some new differentiated offerings. So very much a global phenomena, and VMware is playing a very key role in enabling our customers to get there. VMware's global strategy of go-to-market is very much partner-driven. In fact, globally we do more than 88% of our business through partners. In Asia Pac, it's even more. More than 95% of our business is done through partners. So it's very much a partner-driven strategy where we enable our partners to provide support to our customers right from pre-sale stage, proof of concepts, deployment, and eventually being part of digital transformation journey of our customers. And our preference ideally would be that 100% of our business is done through partners. So we are very much partner-driven. VMware across Asia Pac has been providing digital transformation related solutions leveraging the software-defined data center architecture for data center, and Workspace ONE, which is a combination of end-user computing, which is virtual desktop and enterprise mobility management, which helps enterprises do digital transformation in their environment. Now, for example, in case of Japan, in public sector, we have provided solutions for internet separation, and we have the largest market share in that space, where they separate out enterprise environment with internet access by digitally securing and providing equal access to all employees across all applications. Similarly, when it comes to Australia, which is probably world's most virtualized market, we have provided solutions across multiple clouds. So it's a cross-cloud architecture based on SDDC, along with end-user computing, so that employees of the enterprise can get equal secure access to applications of the enterprise. And there were multiple cases in countries like India, for example. We have deployed our similar solutions in multiple banks, helping them digitally transform their IT infrastructure, and quite a few cases in the regions like Southeast Asia or China. The Partner Leadership Forum that we recently did in Scottsdale in Arizona, where we had participation globally of senior executives from our partner ecosystem, I saw a lot of excitement amongst partners. In fact, most of the partners want to be enabled more and more on VMware technologies so that they can enable their customers for digital transformation, create investment protected, highly efficient infrastructure that their customers can leverage on. So one need was around enablement. We heard more and more, and we are heavily investing in that area. In fact, over the last 1 year, within Asia Pac, we have invested in most of our key partners to make sure that they're up to date in terms of latest technologies, and they're fully armed to go out, do pre-sales activities, do proof of concepts, and deployment as well. And during the Partner Leadership Forum, we launched our Master Services Competency Program across multiple solutions that VMware has, which allows them to not just gain capability, but get right kind of branding that will allow them to go out in the market and be highly successful in deploying VMware technologies.